Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer customers from Amazon to your website. Begin by understanding your target audience and their needs. Research what your customers are looking for when purchasing products. Analyze your current Amazon listing for strengths and weaknesses. Optimize your product descriptions to make them more engaging and informative. Enhance your product images to ensure they stand out. Create a user-friendly website that aligns with your brand. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly to reach a broader audience. Incorporate SEO strategies to improve search engine visibility. Utilize social media to build a community around your brand. Engage with your audience through informative content and giveaways. Offer exclusive discounts or promotions for customers who shop directly on your website. Implement email marketing to nurture relationships with your customers. Use retargeting ads to remind past Amazon customers of your products. Encourage reviews and testimonials on your website to build credibility. Create a seamless checkout experience to reduce cart abandonment. Highlight the benefits of purchasing from your website, such as free shipping or loyalty programs. Consider using affiliate marketing to leverage existing influencers. Provide excellent customer service to foster repeat business. Monitor your analytics to track performance and adjust strategies accordingly. Regularly update your website to keep it fresh and engaging for return visitors. Continue to educate yourself on e-commerce trends to stay competitive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.